Okay, so boom, check it out. Welcome to another episode of Go or No Go. Today we are at 1252 West 127th Street at Cooking with Curves. So I see that she hosts cooking classes and everything. I really like this color. Okay, okay, and look at the heart. Yes, always down for some love. So let's see what she got going on. Create your favorite cookie box. Okay, let's see. She got her cookies right there. And there she go. Hey. So she'll explain to me what kind of cookies they offer. So let's see.
So this is a turtle cookie. It's a chocolate pecan cookie drizzled with caramel and chocolate. And then this is a caramel pecan cluster. It's filled with pecan, drizzled with caramel and top of more pecan. This is the caramel pecan blondie. It's a white chocolate turtle cookie. And it's drizzled with caramel and white chocolate. Strawberry shortcake, lemon, caramel cookies and cream, peanut butter, red velvet, and cookies and cream.
So which one y'all think we should try? Let's see. So let's do the 4 for 12. Had to record a video while she was boxing my cookies. And then she gave me to try the raisin one. The oatmeal raisin one. We have to try that one too. She gave me that one for free. Damn, damn, damn. Okay, so we're going to try these cookies. And I'm going to let you know how they taste. So this is the oatmeal raisin. This is the one that she gave me for free. And it's so soft. Smells good. Okay. Taste the oatmeal. It's a lot of raisins. It's really soft. This one is good. 7 out of 10. Let's drink some water. Clear the palate. So this one is the turtle. This is the turtle. Now this looks good, y'all. It's full of caramel and I sent y'all the video already. Okay, this one is soft. Ooh, soft and gooey. Okay, and caramely. Smells good. And it tastes just like a turtle. But thicker, softer. Really good. 9 out of 10. Okay, water. I think it's the strawberry shortcake. Okay, it's soft. It's falling apart. Strawberry shortcake. Okay, I don't like that one that much. It's okay, but no. I'm waiting because I really like peanut butter, so let's see how the peanut butter is. So yeah, something drizzled on top of it. So this is peanut butter. I didn't like that one too much. This it right here. It's peanut butter. I hit 10 out of 10. The edges is nicely crunched. It's a nice crunch on the edges. And the inside is nice and soft. And then it's drizzled with something on top. I don't know if that's peanut butter or whatever, but 10 out of 10 for the peanut butter. And the last one is some type of chocolate chip. What she say this is? You can watch the beginning of my video, see what I ordered. Cookies and cream, yeah. Last one. Cookies and cream. It's kind of unique. Taste the crunch of the cookies. Okay. Nope. I don't like that one too much. That one maybe, well, still good, but not for me. Maybe a 7 out of 10.
I don't like that side.
Well, move. I'm fucking retard.
Put the soup back. Put it back for him.
Yeah, you getting a video too? Can you
You ain't
fit?
try yet, Jig?
Can you fit? You fit at the same time?
Yeah, come on. Kaya, come up, son, Kaya. Okay, Jigga. Okay, boom. There you go.
Okay, this is Get Out Sugar Bell.
Somebody been on that already.
I know this piece off of it. I ain't biting nothing.
They're like
Get
a
out.
bite marker.
It's not. I'm biting.
What is wrong?
I put this in, you see the gooey.
Baby thigh.
Okay, you ready?
What is wrong?
Okay.
This is oatmeal raisin. Take a piece of it.